Welcome back to our tab navigation series in React Native. Let's now focus on customizing the appearance of our tab bar to enhance the user interface of our app. Firstly, we set tab bar show label to false, hiding the labels for a cleaner look. But for now, we can position it absolute, 50, and stretching it from 20 pixels from the left to 20 pixels from the right. This positions our tab bar uniquely on the screen. We then round the corners with a border radius of 20, giving it a modern, sleek appearance. We also define the height of the tab bar to be 50 pixels, ensuring it's sizable enough for easy interaction. We have to wrap this, and we can add some styles for that. Flex one, justify content center, and align items center. And also a margin bottom -10. 20. Right, that's okay. We can change this to 70. 30. Now let's add some depth with shadows. We set the elevation to 10 and the shadow color to black, and shadow offset 0 for both height and width, focusing the shadow directly under the tab bar. We finish off by setting the shadow opacity to 0.1, right? And the shadow radius to 10. These styling choices give our tab bar a floating effect, making it not only functional but also visually appealing element of our app's design. So okay, in the description you can get the GitHub link for this, and always you can keep the buttons icons branch. There's a branch called buttons icons, so you can keep that as your base branch. So going forward, we are going to do some other uh, changes as well, so you can do with that.